Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Multicolor Professional 60155 makeup kit for girls and women, a 19-piece set that's got all the essentials for a full glam look in one amazing package. Let's dive into this beauty haul and see what it's all about. First up, the 7 pink makeup brushes. They're soft, stylish, and perfect for applying everything smoothly. I use the big fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. No shedding and they blend like a dream. Next, the eyeshadow palette. It's got vibrant multicolor shades from mattes to shimmers, ideal for any occasion. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is pretty good, a bit powdery but buildable with a little effort. The lipstick is a bold, creamy shade that stays on for hours. I applied it and it's giving major glam vibes. The contour stick is smooth and easy to blend. I sculpted my cheekbones and it added perfect definition without looking heavy. The foundation is lightweight with decent coverage. I blended it with the Pink Beauty blender and it evened out my skin tone seamlessly. That blender is soft and bouncy, by the way. Then the 3-in-1 eye combo, eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. Super convenient, and the black is intense, making my eyes pop. The 36H K-Gel is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and it didn't smudge all day. Love that staying power. This kit also includes a primer and fixer. The primer smooths my skin and the fixer locks everything in waterproof and sweat-proof. I tested it and my look held up beautifully. It's a fantastic all-in-one option for beginners or pros on a budget, not luxury, but for the price it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this 6U on 5 set or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.